What's up guys? The rising anti-China sentiment has created a demand for non-Chinese smartphones, and if you're looking to buy a best budget smartphone which is from a non-Chinese company, then this video is for you. In this video, I will show you top 5 budget smartphones that you can buy in 2020 which are from non-Chinese company. Please hit the like button to share this video and subscribe my channel. Nokia 7.2. Nokia 7.2 is a bit older phone, but in 2020 you can buy this for its value for money package. You can buy this phone for its elegant design, clean software experience and a day-long battery life. The disappointments with this phone is there is no AMOLED display given, and it is not the best performing phone in 2020 as it is powered by an older Qualcomm Snapdragon processor. Coming to its detailed specification, this phone is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 processor coupled with 4GB and 6GB of RAM. You can buy this phone with a 4GB variant for $200 and 3GB variant for $230. Coming to its display, there is an 6.39 inches of IPS LCD display with full HD plus resolution. The camera is main USP of this phone. There is a triple rear camera setup given, comprising 48 megapixel primary sensor plus 8 megapixel plus 5 megapixel of other sensor to shoot decent pictures. There is a 20 MP of front selfie camera to take beautiful selfies. The phone packs 3500 mAh of battery and there is no support of fast charging given. Links are given in the description, you can buy it from there. LG K51s. The recently launched LG K51s is the best budget smartphone from LG that you can buy in 2020. The smartphone comes with a 6.5 inches of IPS LCD display with HD plus resolution. The device is available in various colors such as titanium, black and white. The smartphone comes with a quad camera setup at the rear, which includes 32 MP of main sensor plus 5 MP of ultra wide plus 2 MP of macro and 2 MP of depth sensor. There is a 13 MP of front selfie camera lies inside the punch hole in the display to take beautiful selfies. The smartphone is powered by octa-core 2.3 GHz processor and runs on Android 10 out of the box. This phone packs 3GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage, which can be expanded with a microSD card. The phone packs 4000 mAh of battery and there are no details available about the fast charging. The phone will cost you around $180 in the international market and 11 to 12,000 Indian rupees. Links are given in the description, you can check the more details from there. Samsung Galaxy M21. The Samsung Galaxy M21 is a great proposition for the Samsung loyalist and anyone looking for a long battery life. You can buy this phone for its vivid and color accurate display, long lasting battery life and decent daytime photography. The disappointment with this phone is its slow charging speed. Coming to its specification, it has got an 6.4 inches of Super AMOLED display that will give you an immersive display experience. Coming to its specification, it has got 6.4 inches of Super AMOLED display that gives immersive display experience. Powered by Samsung Exynos 9611 octa-core chipset coupled with 4GB of RAM gives you enough of power. The main USP of this phone is its camera. There is a triple rear camera of 48 megapixel plus 8 megapixel plus 5 megapixel that takes decent pictures, and there is also a 20 megapixel selfie camera to take beautiful selfies. As I said before, this phone will give a long lasting battery as it packs 6000 mAh of battery and also comes with a fast charging support. The phone will cost you around $200 in the international market and 14,000 Indian rupees. Links are given in the description, you can buy it from there. Samsung Galaxy A31. The Samsung Galaxy A31 is recently launched and it is not powered by the Samsung processor. Yes, it is powered by a MediaTek processor. The phone comes powered by MediaTek Helio P65 powerful processor coupled up to 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. Coming to its display, there is an 6.4 inches of Super AMOLED display with full HD plus resolution. The phone comes with a quad camera setup at the rear comprising of 48 megapixel primary sensor with up to 8x digital zoom support, 8 MP of ultra wide angle lens and there is a 5 MP of depth sensor with a 5 MP of other sensor. So this quad camera setup guarantees best picture quality. There is a front selfie camera of 20 MP which takes beautiful selfies. The phone packs 5000 mAh of battery and also comes with a fast charging support. The phone will cost you around up to $300 in the international market and 21,000 Indian rupees. Links are given in the description, you can buy this phone from there. Samsung Galaxy M31, the best budget smartphone from Samsung to buy in 2020. Samsung Galaxy M31 is a natural successor to the Galaxy M30 and Galaxy M30s. It's a smartphone that doesn't change too much, keeps the features that worked well the last time while offering necessary upgrades in some areas. Primarily, Samsung has kept its focus on the cameras as the Galaxy M31 touts 64 megapixel quad camera setup. Other key specifications include Super AMOLED display, 6000 mAh of battery, and Android and software at a starting price of $200 in the international market and 15,000 Indian rupees. The Galaxy M31 looks and feels similar to the Galaxy M30s, which is both good and bad. The good thing is that the smartphone offers all the right features to make it the best budget smartphone under $200 or under $250 in the international market. The bad is that the Galaxy M31's design and certain specifications may not hold up well against some other better looking device, especially the Chinese device. But when it comes to the non-Chinese device, this is the best budget smartphone that you can buy in 2020. Buy this smartphone for its great camera, great display and ample battery capacity. Links are given in the description, you can buy it from there. So these are our top 5 best budget smartphones which are from the non-Chinese companies. Please hit the like button, do share this video and subscribe my channel.